hands on a hobo bag. But not just any hobo bag. Today I'm checking out the Gucci 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐶𝐈 Attache bag, or attach bag, but I'm gonna say attache because I'm a little fancy like that. I'm super pumped because I've been eyeing up hobo bags. I feel like they're kind of very in style right now. I like the effortless, chic type of look that they carry, and this one's been hot, I believe, since like 2002. It's not actually sold on Gucci's website at the moment, at least not in the States from what I've been seeing. So to have one here is amazing, and it's black, it is Gucci'd out, and I'm super pumped. I'm actually working with a company called Hazelluxury. If not familiar with them, let me fill you in. They are a house of luxury goods. They have accessories, bags, pretty much anything luxury you're looking for attire-wise, they most likely have it on their site. Their catalog though is pretty phenomenal. It's my first time working with them, so I'm hoping for a great experience, but we'll see. And I'm gonna basically do a unboxing and a try on and a full in-depth experience. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. This is an exciting one, guys. This bag is literally like gonna probably be my summer bag for this season, so I'm super pumped. But before we proceed, let's do a little OOTD because of course it's how we start here. Got this cool little top on with these laced up bows. I love that. It's definitely giving like Y2K vibes. I have on these flared pants, no shoes because we're in the house. The little belt is kind of like Western, but also, you know, very Y2K as well. So, oh, and of course we have this little paperboy hat. I feel like these hats just give me like Britney vibes, and I always love it. Addison Rae actually wears these quite a bit too, so you know, of course I love. But let's move on. Box came just like this, and let's get it open. And we have a Gucci box right here. Look how beautiful that is with the green damask. Absolutely gorgeous. Right away, this is definitely a pretty good experience, Hazelluxury. So presentation, it's pretty nice. On the inside though, looks like it carries on with some tissue paper up on top. And we have some, looks like authenticity. Very cool, definitely appreciate those details. A little tag here. Some ribbon, oh my goodness. This is definitely gonna be used as an accessory, so that is nice. And I have a strap covered out. Looks like the other strap. And of course we have the bag, but the bag is in a little dust bag. I love when products come in a dust bag because I like to keep my things pristine and in good condition when they're stored and put away. So this is pretty cool and it fits in there quite perfect. So let's take it out. Oh my gosh. The size, this is petite. All right, I wasn't expecting it to be as small, but it's very cute. Very, very cute. I mean, I need a big bag, but this is definitely precious. I immediately love the feeling of it. It definitely feels like it's gonna be quite durable. There's a lot going on here. I'm super pumped. I know these bags come in many different variations, so I'm gonna show you this one in great detail. So bear with me as I get this put together. Let me also share that all of the hardware is packaged up in like a little cellophane, if you can make that out. I personally love that because it means that Hazel want to make sure that we receive this in mint condition upon receiving. So that's definitely something great when it comes to the carrier and how, you know, well they want their products to be delivered. So that's very cool. Every little detail is definitely kind of like put together in a little care package, so that is nice. So I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be, but I'm gonna address this immediately as I'm unboxing everything. The strap of the bag is navy blue and red, very beautiful. I actually love this a lot, but the bag itself is the classic Gucci green and red. So I'm not sure if like that's how it's supposed to be. Are they supposed to be mixed matched? Is that valid? I don't know. I don't know if I like that. You know, I don't mind mixing patterns and whatnot, but this just seems like it's a little too obvious of an error, unless it's just me. Maybe I don't know this bag well enough, but there's that part. Good thing is the bag came with two straps. This is just like a leather black one, so I most likely will be using this just because it's more in sync with the whole aesthetic of the bag. But we'll see, we'll see. I need to do a little bit more research to make sure about the different color straps. May I present to you the Gucci 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐶𝐈 Attache bag in small. This is a small sack. It is cute, it's adorable, but it is pequeño, and definitely, you know, can fit my phone in there, most importantly, but it is a teeny tiny little cute bag. I love the characteristics of this bag. There's a lot of cool hardware going on here. The silver is shiny, it is pretty, it is pristine, and I love just how kind of like unique this bag is. There's a lot of different elements, so we're gonna kick this off with basically the front and the back because it's beautiful. It is a canvas print, we know that. There's the GGs everywhere, which you could, you know, it's not immediate, but you know, if you see a little bit of reflection, you can see it then, which I love because it's not too in your face. And it is gorgeous. It's shiny. I'm loving that. And it feels very, very nice. The front and the back are basically the exact same to the point that I don't even know which one is the front and the back. So they're very identical. The bottom of the bag is the Gucci belt. I don't know what you want to call this. It's just the fabric. I don't know exactly what material it is. Probably like cotton or something like that. But it is gorgeous. I do love how it goes all the way around. Literally the entire side, and the bottom is just that. Moving on though to the hardware, because I feel like the hardware is definitely one of the features about this bag that makes it special. We have a G right here. My name is George. What's yours? But no, seriously, a G for Gucci is really, really cool. I love that. The silver is just gorgeous. It's very kind of like modern, but chic in a way. And then we have these two big buckles right on the side, which are clasps for the strap. If you want to have a strap on it. Now, if you do not want a strap, you don't actually need that because you can actually use the G as a clip for right there. And you can just honestly use this as a handbag. You know, it is a shoulder bag, but I kind of made it into a crossbody by using the strap at its max form. But the hardware is just absolutely gorgeous. I love how shiny it is. On the outside too, it says Gucci right there. And it's gorgeous. It's very reflective. It is beautiful. Let me share with you the interior because it's definitely something to see. First off, the top is this black leather canvas. And we have a tuggy for the zipper, which I love. This gives me like 𝗏𝗏𝐺𝐵 vibes. That's what that is. And of course, the zipper is silver hardware, just like everything else. The inside is, it's that. It is, you could even make that out. One large compartment. So we have that going on. That's also where you see the Gucci little tag right there on the inside for the branding. And I think it's a suede. If I had to guess like what type of material this is on the inside, it feels kind of like a suede just because it's super soft, something like that. But we love. And let me show you the strap options with the bag because we definitely, you know, there's some options here. Again, like I said, this could be used as a handbag, but for the strap, this is just simply the black one. It is just, there's no branding on it. Nothing like that. Very simple, which is cool. I like how the buttons on here are silver, just like the bag itself. Like it matches absolutely perfect. And I feel like it's probably the least obnoxious of the two. Now again, we have this one. I don't know if I'm gonna be using this just because again, like the mix match of that is kind of weird to me. Let me go ahead and actually like try this on with the outfit because I've not done that yet. And this is as maxed out as the bag gets with the strap. And actually, like that's not a bad length. You know what I mean? Like you don't want this to be too like low or anything. So I feel like that's actually pretty great. What do we think? What do we think? It's looking beautiful. I actually like it a lot from behind. That's what it looks like. Yes, it's pretty sick. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but again, you know, this is what I selected. Either way, I can fit my goods in here. I don't need to be obnoxious with too many things in my bag. So let me tell you, Hazelluxury, this is a beautiful bag. I'm super happy to have done this collaboration because seriously, this is excellent quality. The way it arrived, the presentation, the whole type of craftsmanship that was put into this bag. You could tell that it was quality. And that's something that goes a long way for me because, you know, luxury bags are quite expensive. And fortunately on your site, there's amazing deals and people can get luxury bags at an affordable price. So to actually have a luxury experience, but, you know, for what you're paying, it's amazing. So I definitely want to make sure I stress that. Do yourself the favor, if you are on the hunt for a luxury article, check out Hazelluxury. Again, their options are just phenomenal, and this bag experience is amazing. I'm super pumped to be adding this to my collection. We can get you to stay right there. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Maybe this even inspired you to check out this style bag or Hazelluxury. But if you have not already, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. And while you're here, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. I would love your company. I do a lot of reviews like this and a lot of deep dives on fashion. So if you're into this kind of thing, my channel's where it's at. Also, if you like to follow me elsewhere, my Instagram is right here, and that is linked down below with my TikTok as well. So until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.